Boker Tov, friends. I'm so excited. I'm getting the table all ready for Shabbat tonight. But Jesse brought the mail in and it's here. Yes! My calendar to help me mark the Moedim. And also the nation of Israel's civil calendar. But what I really want to emphasize to you, I just posted on my Facebook page that I had ordered my calendar and it's here already. This goes from September 2018 all the way through December of 2019. And so that means on the Hebrew fixed Hillel 2 calendar, it goes from Tishri, 5,778 years from the date of creation, all the way to Kislev / Tevet, 5,780. And if you've never done a study or watched any videos on the amazing calendar of YeHoVaH, you are missing out, friends, because we only mark 2,000 years in our civil national calendar here in America and the world. But the Hebrews are still keeping up with the fact that the earth was created, and we are counting up to 6,000 years. You know, the Bible has a phrase, a day is as 1,000 years. People who take that into consideration, there is a Jewish way of thinking, a rabbinic tradition, I believe, that talks about the possibility of God allowing man to have his time for 6,000 years, kind of like a lease on the earth. And then in the 7th year, we'll all rest with our Heavenly Father. You know what that means. That means that man only has 6,000 years to keep doing what he's doing, unfortunately. I mean, there's some good going on in the world today. I mean, the whole earth is filled with His glory and people surrender to God. His dominion is glorious. But we still have to deal with sin, Satan, and demons, and all of the ick that the human heart is capable of. But I love following the annual calendar because this helps me keep up with when the Moedim are. When is Passover? When is Shavuot? When is Rosh Hashanah or Yom Teruah? When is Yom Kippur? When is Sukkot? So I encourage you, order your calendar. Mine came rather quickly. I got mine from, what's the name of this organization? Obviously, they got it going on. Messianic Jewish Publishers and Resources. www.messianicjewish.net. I'll even give you the phone number. 1-800-410-7367. Ooh, and they advertise one of my favorite Bibles, the Complete Jewish Bible. Yeah. It's all good stuff. Get your calendar so you can keep up. So I'm gonna put mine right here where we can keep up with it in our kitchen. I may put it down in my study area. I don't know. Either way, get your calendar. Shalom, mishpocha.